Hello and welcome. It is the 12th day of April 2017. Another buy order executed at 35. I put this in the first one on the limit buy order series, the low, and at 33, currently trading at 46. Looking at this on a more longer term time frame, the move coming down to the 18 average low and now leaving it, so making this higher high, coming back down lower. Nice. So I look at this to decide, where do I sell? And then you can continue on further, maybe go to a 3-day chart, and this one going to the 18 average of highs. But what I also noticed within this, it looks like it could make a run up towards this high anyway as its next level, and then even maybe make a pierce through that. There could be longer term support that could maybe come back down, maybe around the 24 to 28 level. But if this thing is breaking out and we can see the pattern on this time frame, then I'm happy to be able to get in a buy at such a beautiful cheap price. Now in the short term time frame, it's had this correctionary move, so one could say, hey, maybe you should sell a little bit now, try to buy back later. And as I'm transitioning from Bitcoin out of Bitcoin, that's what I think is stopping me from doing it, with also what looks to be further upside momentum. Another one just came in, and I lowered my buy order on this to 17. Oh, it's at 21. That'd be sweet if it is. Yeah, because I just bought at 17. I just seen that. So I'm like, okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, I bought down here. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? 17.5. What did I hit? 17.68. 17.68. Sweet. Okay, so if I see something like that, this has been having a difficult time lately. I might just say, you know what, I'll put a small sell order in now, because I've already had a really good gain. And originally I had to sell a buy order in for Capricorn. It worked out where it just, because of this low, the buy order would have been like down here, so I just missed it. So I reduced it a bit. That's what you do. So say you had a buy order right at 20 even, and you missed this. Well, now if this breaks down, it's probably going to go lower. That's why I went to the 17 change. I did buy a little at 19, a small amount as well. But yes, I just want to go over that. And that's why I like to put buy orders in, because oftentimes if you get these Fibonacci numbers that hit, I mean, they'll literally hit those numbers pretty close to those key points. And let's just go an example on something even short term, if we can see anything more short term on here. Or you know what? Yeah, one thing I wanted to talk about as well is within these orders, what I like to do is see stuff like percentage gain. So I realize that, I mean, flow, you ain't getting it. So remove your order, maybe look to buy, and we can just take a quick look at it just because I can. And I think I tried to buy it. I don't think I did. Did I put a buy order in? Yeah, I did. 18.13. Wasn't able to get in. So now you have a situation where market goes up, has this consolidation pattern going higher. See, I lose my 18 average band and stuff. That sucks. If I log scale this, a little bit of a change. So short term, this thing looks breaking out, where sometimes all you have to do is just look at the ratio. Ooh, tough ratio. If the ratio is not tight, you just buy, but the ratio is tight, so I don't want to spend. And then you just put in like whatever number kind of deal. I don't got much to play with, but I'll play with what I got. Well, available liquid. So you put a buy order in. It's just a small bet, and what happens is you jump close to the top of the line. Or you just put some pressure on the bidding war game. So now I put pressure on this person here at 27.02. I'm at least doing a little bit to tighten the bid ask. It's still got a 60-point differential. If you got tokens on both sides, that's a strategy to start on both sides. Put a buy order about 27.03, and then a sell order at 27.82, and then just play that game. So I just want to go over a few things. There's just situations where when you look at the market, sometimes you just, man, this thing looks ready to go. And this is, to me, one of those patterns. The stinginess in me is not spending the 27.82 now. But it'll either work as far as someone will sell or it won't. I miss many boats, but when I do hit some boats like the ABY, sometimes they are a pretty good ride. Take care.